Hey guys, welcome back. We're here with another video. I'm going to go over how to fill your coolant chamber. A lot of people get confused and they see their coolant disappearing and they think something's wrong with the car. But in fact, how this coolant system is designed in the 6th gen Camaros is this: over time, this bottom tank may evaporate. In a normal scenario, if your coolant system is full, you'll have this, your top chamber will be filled to the cold fill line, which is at the very top. And you should see half of the bottom one filled. Don't panic if your bottom one is emptying. If you see your bottom one emptying or you're losing any coolant down at the bottom, you have a fill port in the back here. You have a fill port back here. Behind here, this cap pops off, and you can just fill your bottom port to halfway. So once again, the top port has a cold fill line, which is at the top, and then the bottom one needs to be half full. Now this, I just drained my system down at the bottom. There's, I'll just attach that video real quick. We'll cut to that so you guys can see down at the bottom. All right, GM finally has some sort of cool idea. So I was gonna drain the water out of the system, of course, and it's obviously just water. They only put water back in and not coolant, and we're gonna put coolant in it. But I was expecting it to come out of this, but this is just basically a vent release, and it allows it to drain out of here. The rubber mount, they set it up. It's pretty nice, actually. I mean, it drips out a little bit, but at the top, this is a self-burping system. So your engine's completely empty of coolant. You're going to fill it up. This top one, you need both port caps open and off. Whoops, there's still some fluid everywhere. This top one needs to be completely full. So we're going to fill it up all the way. And as you can see, that level is going to drain. So what it's doing is the system, I've already put a ton in. This is empty. So I've been filling this the whole time. I'm finally getting to a level to where it's not taking on any more air. So there's a few ways you can also burp the system. You can squeeze this top line here, and as you can hear, the air going in and out. Now that's burping the system. So your instruction manual will also walk you through everything, but what we're going to do is we're going to fill this to the top. We're going to fill this one halfway up at the bottom. Then we're going to start the car. We're going to let the fluid cycle through and see what drops and fill from there. But I just wanted to make this video because you see on the forums, see on Facebook, this bottom reservoir, it is completely normal for coolant to evaporate out of that, especially in hot, humid climates, because there is no seal on this. This is just a plastic cap. It doesn't really seal. So there's a way for the fluid to evaporate out. So it is completely normal, and you may have to fill that from time to time. So that's just a quick video about the coolant system. We're going to go ahead and get this full, and then we're going to start the car, and we'll come back and I'll show you guys what it's doing. Yeah, so we've filled this until it stopped burping itself, and it just started filling. And then this one's kind of a pain in the back. You have to have a funnel with a super skinny end on it. So we did that. We filled the bottom reservoir halfway, as you can see. All right, now what's happening now is there is no coolant in the engine. No, the caps stay off. Oh, do they? So now what you have to do is you have to start the car without the caps on. All right? And you need to let it warm up a little bit, and it's going to suck coolant into the engine, and then you're going to turn it off, and you're going to fill them up again. So we're going to start the car now. Sorry for cutting the video in and out, but we've done a lot of other things on the car today, and I'm not even 100% sure I'm going to be able to start the car. So we're going to start the car. We're going to attempt to start the car and go from there. We're not going to worry about that right now because we're talking about the coolant. So when you start your car and you idle it, you got to leave both caps open, and then what you're going to do is you're going to turn the heat on. And you come in your car, turn the heat on, and you want to wait for that top hose to get warm. So we're going to come in here, we're going to crank the heat up. Full blast. Alright. Alright, so we got some full-blown heat kicking in here now. Oh, that's not good. Damn it, Ben. Alright. Yeah, that's definitely a pulley.
rev.
Yeah. If we rev it, it'll go faster.
Right.
Alright, so now what we're doing is we're waiting for this hose to here to get warm. And once this gets warm, your temperature sensor should open and your fan should kick on. My fan's not on yet. Fan should kick on, and then that's gonna allow the fluid to enter your engine and fill your engine. It should drain some more from there, and you're gonna fill it up. You're gonna close your caps up, and you're gonna drive it normal, and then you're gonna check it in again in a few days. And that's how you do the fluid on your car. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.